Hello friends, welcome to A to Z informative videos. In this video, in part of general knowledge bits, I am going to share with you few more GK bits. This is episode 23. Let's start our today video. First question: how many planets does the solar system have? Answer for this question is the solar system has 8 planets. They are 1. Mercury, and 2 is Venus, and 3 is Earth, and 4th is Mars, and 5th one is Jupiter, and 6th one is Saturn, and 7th one is Uranus, and 8th one is Neptune. Next question is, how many oceans are there in India? Okay, the question is repeating once again. How many oceans are there in India? There are totally 5 oceans in India. First one, the Pacific. First one, the Atlantic, and next, second one is the Pacific Ocean, and third one is the Indian Ocean, and fourth one is Arctic Ocean, and fifth one is Antarctic Ocean. Next question is, how many seasons are there in India? Answer for this question is, there are total 6 seasons in India. They are, first one is spring, and second one is summer, and third one is monsoon, and fourth one is autumn, and fifth one is pre-winter, and finally sixth one is winter. Next question is, what are the 8 major rivers in India? The question is repeating once again. What are the 8 major rivers in India? They are, first one, the Hindus river system, and next one is the Brahmaputra river system, and third one is the Ganga river system, and fourth one is the Yamuna river system, and fifth one is Narmada river system, and sixth one is